In the scenario of the stolen bread, a starving mother steals food to feed her children. From an ethical standpoint, is she morally wrong?
Honestly po, sobrang complicated ng situation. Kung titingnan natin sa batas, oo, mali talaga ang magnakaw. Pero kung ethics ang pag-uusapan, kailangan din natin i-consider yung context. Yung nanay, hindi naman siya nagnakaw dahil sa kasakiman o para sa sarili niyang luho. Nagnakaw siya kasi gutom na yung mga anak niya. So para sa akin, it was out of desperation and love. Kung i-apply natin yung utilitarianism, masasabi nating justify siya kasi mas malaking good ang na-achieve na naligtas niya yung mga anak niya sa gutom. Kahit sa point of view ni Kant, kung may duty not to steal, meron din tayong moral duty to protect human life and dignity. So, may moral conflict talaga. Para sa akin po, hindi siya morally wrong.
Based on laws and justice, yes, it is morally wrong. Stealing is a violation of the law. The owner of the bread has also rights to their property and livelihood. Society depends on rules to maintain order, so breaking them can lead to chaos. Even with good intentions, wrongdoing cannot be justified by results. But based on compassion and human need, no, it is not morally wrong. So the mother was driven by desperation, not greed. Feeding starving children is a moral responsibility that outweighs property rights. Human life is more valuable than material possessions. Sometimes strict laws need to be viewed through a lens of mercy and understanding. This is a clear right versus right. Both sides have valid moral arguments. Legally, stealing is wrong, but morally, saving a life is right. Based on this situation, we can ask ourselves, should always laws be strictly followed, regardless of circumstance? Not always. While laws are important for maintaining order and fairness in society, there are certain circumstances where strict application of the law may not lead to justice or compassion. I'm a mother also. And for me, siguro kung isang beses lang talaga ginawa ng mother at wala naman talaga siyang means to feed her children, maybe it's right. But if she keep on doing that, stealing just to feed her children, paulit-ulit, definitely, it will be wrong. That's why nowadays, before we bear children, we should think first or work hard first just to ensure that we will be able to support our children and mainly to feed our children by right means or based on right means. That's all.
Yeah, okay. So, if I were in the mother's shoes, I wouldn't say na what I did was right. Kasi, alam naman natin sa mga sarili natin na ang pangunguha ng hindi atin and ang pagnanakaw ay isang masamang gawain and maaari makaapekto ito sa atin. But, I would understand the situation. My primary motivation would be the survival of my children. Hunger is a critical need and I would do everything to ensure their survival. And in this situation, stealing is a consequence of extreme poverty and desperation. This doesn't justify stealing, but it provides context for why it happened. It would have been better if there were other ways to feed my children, but if there were not, the survival would be my best priority for my children.